everyone, my name is Julia, and today I want to show you the process of pumping breast milk using a breast pump and share my tips. It is very important to create a comfortable environment to make the process pleasant and effective. When pumping, it's essential to adjust the breast pump correctly. I choose a comfortable intensity level to avoid any discomfort. I start with a gentle mode that mimics natural suction and then increase the intensity if needed. After pumping, I pour the milk into a bottle, seal it tightly, and store it in the refrigerator or freezer if I plan to keep it for longer. It's important to remember breast milk storage guidelines and always label the bottles with the date of pumping. Pumping can be a great helper for moms. The key is to do it correctly and comfortably. I hope my tips will be helpful. If you have your own hacks for using a breast pump, be sure to share them in the comments. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Love.